Welcome to Zehahaha. Today's article is about top 10 of the most valuable companies in the world. The rating is based on market capitalization. It is calculated by multiplying the number of shares issued by the company by the value of one such share. The data in the article is relevant as of 23rd May 2020. By the way, if you look at the rating of the most expensive stock, it will differ significantly from this one. Number 10 on the list is Johnson & Johnson. Its net worth is $395 billion. It's a pharmaceutical industry producing products such as drugs and medical equipment. Johnson & Johnson is an American multinational company producing medical devices, pharmaceuticals and consumer products. The company was founded by three brothers, Robert Wood Johnson, James Wood Johnson and Edward Mead Johnson in 1886. Number 9 on the list is Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. Its net worth is $455 billion. Insurance, finances, railway transport, utilities, food and non-food products. The company is known for its permanent owner, an American investor and entrepreneur, Warren Buffett. The company's headquarters is located in Omaha, USA. Its share price is $344,970. That makes it world's most expensive stock. Over 40,000 shareholders took part in 2050 annual meeting. That's why the meeting earned the facetious nickname Woodstock for Capitalists. Now, coming to the number 8 on the list is Tencent. Its net worth is $510 billion. It's an internet-based industry, social networking, instant messaging, mass media, web portals, etc. Tencent is a venture company, an investment holding and one of the largest companies in the gaming industry. This Chinese giant is founded in 1998, occupies the 9th position in the ranking of the most expensive companies in the world. Its services include social networks, mobile games and music, web portals, payment systems, e-commerce, internet services, smartphones and multiplayer online games, which are among the largest and most successful in the world in their respective categories. The headquarters of Tencent C4 Towers is located in Nanshan District, Shenzhen. Number 7 on the list is Alibaba Group, a net worth of $545 billion. Its industry is internet, products, e-commerce, online auction, hosting, online money transfers, mobile commerce. The Alibaba company is one of the largest virtual trading platforms in China and the world, attracting the attention of buyers by both affordable prices and a wide range of goods presented. Founded on April 4, 1999, the company provides consumer and business services through web portals as well as electronic payment services. The headquarters is located in Hangzhou, China. Number 6 on the list is Facebook. Its net worth is $584 billion. It's an internet-based industry. Facebook was developed by Mark in February 2004. The Facebook social network is currently visited by more than 2 billion people every day, and the market value of $584 billion is simply an astronomical indicator of popularity for an internet project. Facebook headquarters is in Menlo Park, California, USA. Number 6 on the list is Alphabet Incorporated. The net worth of this company is $919 billion. Industry is Internet. Google, the internationally famous internet company, recently changed its official name to Alphabet because the company was out of scope of Google's search engine long ago, and now it owns plenty of other companies as well. More than 30 popular services and sub-companies are part of the holding: AdWords, Android, YouTube, to name a few. Google is headquarters in California. Number 4 on the list is Amazon Incorporated. Industry, retail business. On January 7, 2019, Amazon became the most expensive company in the world for the first time, overtaking its competitor, Microsoft. Today, it ranks 4th in the list of the most valuable companies. Amazon is an American retail company that sells and delivers various goods over the internet. The company was established in 1994 by Jeff Bezos. Amazon is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, USA. According to overall estimates, the company employs 6,47,500 workers and has more than $162 billion in assets at the given moment. Its annual turnover amounts to approximately $232 billion. Number 3rd on the list is Apple Incorporated. Its net worth is $1,286 billion. Industry is electronics and information technology. Products, personal computers, tablets, mobile phones, audio players, etc. For a long time, Apple was the most valuable company in the world, but due to the situation with the disappointing iPhone sales, it lost its primacy. At the same time, the company continues to occupy the first position at the most expensive brands list. Today, the company logo is recognized by many people as Apple became truly the most successful brand. Its value is estimated at $1,286 billion by experts from the rating agencies. Nowadays, the range of its products is widely and includes smartwatches, computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and much more. Recently, Apple also launched an Apple TV program, which is okay-ish. Apple is headquartered in Cupertino, California, USA. Apple employs 132,000 employees across the world. Number 2 on the list is Microsoft. Its net worth is $1,359 billion. Its industry is software development, products, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows, Xbox. The second most valuable company in the world is Microsoft. The internationally famous company was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates, who is one of the richest men in the world by now. At the time, Microsoft was the first software developer that suggested using packaged software for home computers that would thereby make PC experience user-friendly and intuitive. Today, Microsoft is one of the leading companies in the PC software market, as well as it releases new generation Windows operating system, a set of applications to work with documents, Microsoft Office, and many other software programs. Besides, Microsoft produces its own mobile devices and accessories, video, audio, and office equipment. The company is headquartered in Redmond, Washington, USA. Coming to the first on the list is Saudi Aramco. Its net worth is $1,685 billion. Industry, oil and gas producing, refining products, oil, natural gas, and other petrochemical products. After the successful issue of shares on the stock exchange, Saudi Aramco became the most expensive company in the world. It has officially published its financial statements first in 2019. Shortly after the release, the shares on the Tadawul Stock Exchange, the company's value almost reached $1.9 trillion. The oil giant has exceeded all expectations with the issued shares. Its IPO is considered one of the most successful in history. In particular, the company intends to become the leader in the production of liquefied natural gas. Today, the company is owned by the Saudi Arabian government. The main office is located in Tehran. Did you like our list? Did you enjoy our channel? Then please like, share and subscribe. And please comment down and also hit on the bell icon for more updates.